Now his father is also what is he, a big physicist?
Yeah.
Yeah, a big scientist, physicist, and all that. And he believes in heliocentrism. And Alex was talking to him about it, and he said, no. And Einstein was a kook. Basically, he was a thief. He was a thief, and his science was crap. Okay, his theory of relativity is bullshit. That's the best way to say it, right? You know, to come as Richard, studying this for 20 years now. What's your conclusion on Einstein? Is his theory of relativity is bullshit. End of discussion. Look at the lecture. And we have something for you to look at.
Yeah.
Journey to the Center of the Universe by Robert Sagenis. This is a masterpiece that he did.
For example, did you know that the newest cosmological evidence puts the Earth at or near the center of the universe? And this is admitted by many popular scientists. Did you know that experimental evidence from over 100 years ago to the present day shows the Earth is motionless in space? Did you know that Einstein's special theory of relativity was invented to counter the many experiments in the 1800s and 1900s that showed the Earth was standing still in space? Did you know that Einstein's general theory of relativity was invented to cover the weakness of the special theory, but in doing so, the general theory allowed the Earth to be motionless in space and the center of the universe? Did you know that in addition to Einstein's general theory of relativity, other theories of physics, such as Newton's laws of motion and Mach's principle, say that a universe rotating around a fixed Earth is as scientifically valid as a rotating Earth in a fixed universe? Did you know that every scientific proof for an Earth revolving around the Sun and rotating on an axis has been discredited, and there has never been an experiment that has provided proof that the Earth is moving? Did you know that the most recent data from satellite probes sent up in the 1990s and 2000s show that the known universe is aligned with both the Sun-Earth ecliptic and the Earth's equator, revealing that our universe is geocentrically oriented, with Earth at the center? Did you know that the most recent data from telescopes shows that galaxies and many other celestial objects, such as quasars and gamma-ray bursters, are oriented around the Earth in concentric spheres? As you can see, in sharp contrast to Carl Sagan's perspective that the Earth is lost in space, the scientific evidence shows we are indeed very special, since it appears we're placed at the very hub of the universe, motionless and serene, watched and cared for by someone who apparently did not leave things to time and chance. For the next hour or so, sit back and watch as we provide shocking scientific evidence from the best scientific minds and the best experiments to confirm these astounding truths.
Anyway, he did a really great job on it. I mean, it's called Journey to the Center of the Universe. And it's science. I love science. That's why I like that too. You may not understand everything, but you'll understand a lot of it. And you'll see how he tears apart Einstein. And these are all because what he said to Alex is, I don't want just some religious person I want a scientist. Well, here you are. You got your scientists.